Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I'm all set and ready to go. Hubby is taking me to the airport. We're going to drop me arrows off at my mom and dad's place, my parents' place. And yeah guys, what am I wearing? Let's see, I think you need to come and hold this camera so they can see my airport style. Babe, come and hold my camera so they can see my airport style, please. Paying you for which work? Are you not my husband? Guys, I'm going to miss Mia Rose so much. Guys. I haven't been away from her for more than a week at a stretch. Like, I think the most time I've been away from her is like 2 days. I think so, yeah, 2 days since I gave birth to this girl. So I'm going to be gone this long and I'm going to miss the heck out of her. But this holiday is needed, okay? Hi. I'm going to miss my baby. I'm going to miss my baby so much. So I'm wearing this set from Shein. Okay, it's just really comfy, and I was like, it makes sense to actually wear this. I'm wearing these sneakers that one of my followers gifted me. I'm wearing it for the first time today and I actually like it. So yeah, really, really nice. So I am a sucker for these luggage tags I got from the Ajala store on Instagram. This one says, do not touch my luggage. This one right here is just like a pair of sunglasses. The one on my hand luggage is this pineapple, almost like a pina colada kind of cocktail thing. I absolutely love them. I think I got them for like 2K each. And I got there's 3 different ones. So cute. And you cannot miss your luggage. Like with these on, you cannot just miss it.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
It is a final call for body. I don't go. Like, yeah. Life for. Like you're part of.
Yeah, sorry, don't worry, we'll just go on your bed. We'll enjoy for 3, no problem.
As I reach out.
Hi, ladies.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way.
Why you people like this? Yes. Actually, even the set. Even the set, it have changed. Even the perfume have changed too.
my way, cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Cause I found my way.
Guys, please explain to me why it is 5:30 a.m. and Hamsatu and Adacha are more concerned with buying alcohol. Like, I can't believe you guys are alcohol sightseeing right now. Yeah, I'm tired and I just want to go and sleep. They are busy alcohol window shopping here. Let me show you guys what this duty-free section looks like. This is just like alcohol. Everywhere, alcohol everywhere. Alcohol. Can I just hear the river now? Why you feel like this, God? What have I gotten myself into traveling with these girls? What? So apparently, if you don't buy alcohol here, you will not see alcohol in Dubai City to buy. So I think I'm just going to pick a bottle of wine or something, or 2 bottles of like sweet wine. So good, right?
From Zurich, the delivery of your baggage will be delayed.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
So just a tour of my room, my hotel room. So from the door, this is the door right here. So this is the bathroom. The bathroom looks really cute, guys. Like, I'm a sucker for backlights. So that's this big ass mirror here with backlights. There's a sink, some toiletries, then there's a shower. Very nice. And I can see those bottles over there, some bath supplies and stuff, tumblers, toilet roll, toilet is right here, and all the other stuff. Oh, we have towels up there as well. Another mirror right here. Okay, so we go into the bedroom. This is what it looks like. These are my trainers, don't mind that, but this is what the bed is looking like. Very cute. Okay, I love those lamps. Reminds me of SV Chrome in Abuja. These lamps, yeah. And I love whatever is happening at the back there. So pretty. We have 2 chairs here. We have a table, a coffee table. We have a work desk here and this big TV here. This is what our view is like. Not much of a view, but it will do. Yeah, I don't mind the view, Sha. Like a skyscraper view kind of thing. But yeah, we're tired, exhausted. We've been through it, but we've come out victorious. We survived. We survived.
We're survivors like God. We're survivors like this.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.
I found my way.